Oh, I really hate something that I don't understand. Oh my god, what is happening? Okay. Okay, I will tell people what's happening right now, and please don't laugh at me. So, what had happened? Oh, okay. That was not too difficult to understand. Okay. So, what happened was um, my Streamlab. Hey, hello. Um, but it's super weird. Okay. Mm, okay. What happened is that you have a Java exam tomorrow. Then good luck with your Java exam. I cannot do. I yeah. Did you Java? I don't know Java. Oh my god, that's super difficult. I don't know Java, but I wish you good luck. And because I would say if programming is a kind of language, my mother language is Python, as you can see here. Okay, so what happened that I was super confused is that today Streamlabs just failed on me again, that all the settings were gone. So the audio is just extremely weird right now, at least how I hear. And yeah, I spent so much time try to try to rescue every of my setting back, but still not able to do so. So I just want to shout out to Streamlabs. Please don't fail on me again. That the scenes were so nice, but today I'm forced to change to a different scene, which I'm not familiar with. So, okay. And you want to be ML developer. Can you help me in that? Oh wow, I'm also kind of just starting to learn. I don't know if you take courses in when you are like in the university, because I took courses when I was taking my master degree, um and then afterwards, so when my master degree, it was always about um supervised method, so like PCA, clusters, everything that which we used a lot. um and then from there I kind of just starting to learn by myself. And today I am just, because I have this 3 months challenge that I want to use today's programming time that to work on this one. And so for people who need to take Java exams, good luck. And for people who want to learn machine learning, I will try to squeeze in some sections to tell people what I know. And it would be always about audio, fine tune everything like that. And I hope it's okay, because machine learning is such a big topic that um, people are just kind of. So that's also okay. One last complaint, and then I promise I will go into the programming. So when you look at all the job descriptions, that is super, super confusing. Like people just say, this job requires some machine learning technique. And I was like, machine learning is such a huge topic. Which field you are talking about? Do you talking about supervised? Are you talking about unsupervised? Are you talking about large language model training? Are you talking about like some sort of model training, for example, just image, audios, all that stuff? Those are very different stuff. Why can't them just be more clear on what this job is about? So that's the only one complaint I have. If in the future I start to recruit some people, I will also keep my complaint in mind. I need to make the job description as clear as possible. Okay, we finish the complaint of the day, and we are start to do our ASMR. So what we are gonna do is 25 minutes of coding, and then we will have 5 minutes of rest. Today's coding is all about I'm building my backend to do some sort of dashboard display, play the sound, also help people to subscribe, and then all that stuff. And then also the sidebar update. Actually, I'm pretty far from the whole coding. And so what you would hear is the nice keyboard sound from Mac keyboard. And if anyone like mechanic keyboards, I can also do that, but next time. So let's do it. So 25 minutes of coding, and I wish you good luck with all your progress. Yeah, let's start. I am working on my 3 months challenge. So it's about a platform to collect voice and for people to subscribe to the voice they enjoy to hear. So it's so right now I'm just working on the platform, the backend, and then the front end because I'm actually not a front end developer. So I will that would be a lot of try and errors. I don't want to bother people with that. So those I will do it like on my private time. Yes. Thank you for following. Hello. Hi, hi. So far, my backend is going well, and wow, Discord bot. And I I hope it's it's going well and fun for you. Doesn't need to. Oh yeah, that does remind me that I do need to do this kind of limits. Hmm, good idea. Thanks for reminding. And would you like to share what kind of like solutions you found? Oh, okay. Every 2 minutes. That's quite strict, isn't it? Is it enough? Oh yeah, that's good. I forget about how to do enums. Which is super important. Oh, okay. So checking emails. Actually, like Discord bot is a very interesting topic. Maybe after my 3 months challenge, I can do something like that. Yeah, but I wanna do so many bots, like WhatsApp bots or something like that. Mm. Thank you so much. Ooh, let me see. Okay. Okay. Cool. Thanks. For me, it's more like I want to collect different languages, but it should have abbreviation. For example, like English is ENGO. I should do like ENGLISH. ENGLISH. Can I do like this? I thought I can. I don't want to always use a value. Yeah, for this kind of documentation, so like notebooks, something, I really use notebook. And recently I figured out like there is a notebook pretty cool, which is called Notebook ML. I don't know if people know about this. Oh, LM, Notebook LM. Yeah. And I was thinking to do a little bit of unboxing about this tool, because I use it very frequently recently, and yeah, I kind of want to do. So if people interested in this kind of notebook plus AI stuff, we can do that. Yeah, just let me know. Okay, I think it can be ENG. What else? Of course, Chinese is always CH or ZH. I think ZH is traditional. I hope, yeah. And German is Deutsch is I think the. So for these three, for now, there is one secret language. Do it later. So I need to language now, right? I think it's called enum, so I should import enum. Haha. In theory, yeah. For enum, it's the default is always English. So hmm? Ah. Hey. Am I making myself a lot of hard time? Okay. Okay. Describe challenges. So now is kind of the challenge, which is first need to get, and then the info. Okay, I can do that. Yeah, so 25 minutes is up, and just give me 1 minute. Let me finish this one, and yeah, in case I forget. Token is definitely. I need to quickly do. Nice. Okay. Okay. Firstly, let's just return. Cannot return token. Hello. Okay. The most important thing is the main. I should find something more proper route. Okay. And my prefix is okay. Good. So so 5 minutes of explanation of what I wanna do, what have I done, what is my treatment, and then we can finish today. Okay, so what I wanna do. So my platform is about collecting voice, and then I will do the model training so people can use the end results. Hello. So people can use the end results of my model training, and then these all these different models can be can be called as different names or something like that. So so when people log in, what they will see is a list of popular voice, which is actually models that I trained, and then they can subscribe, they can hear a demo, and then something like that. And then there's a challenge, which people would collaborate with me to go through different level of scripts. And so these are something that I wanna do. So I already have a series of on my progress, but so on YouTube. But this progress report is really targeting people who are not familiar with platform development. So there was, of course, not like detail talking about every endpoint, how do you set up all that stuff. Um, for so and for today, my progress here is now I'm going in these directions that people can collaborate with me. So of course, I should provide some data for them to do these readings. So I previously working on the dashboard. At the very beginning, I work on the dashboards, and then I was working on a challenge. But to make this kind of endpoint work, I need to firstly set up some classes. So FastAPI is basically work with a lot of classes, let's say that. So all the post body or the get params, these kind of things are wrapped in class, which is something I love a lot, because using this kind of class you can limit what's the data that comes in, and also when the data comes in it's already like being validated, so you can save a lot of time when you do the programming, so you don't need to do a lot of like validation. Of course, some certain degrees of validation is definitely needed, but using fast API and using classes, um, you can save a lot of code. Yeah, so for these kind of routes that provide people data to read out and to collect data from people, you need to regulate what kind of data that comes in and comes out. So I was working on these classes, like how I should set up. I definitely need to expand this class later, but and at this point, these are very good like starting points, I'd say. And if you are interested in my weekly progress, you can go to my YouTube. Actually, people are already on my YouTube, so I guess yeah, you can watch some of my other videos. And if you are interested in something else or some suggests that what I can do outside of my 3 months challenge, I'm very happy to do so. Just make comments on any of my videos. I definitely read and I will reply. And just one thing I have to say is that my knowledge about programming is not like a lot of different languages. I major, I should say, I major or I speak Python, and I speak Linux. So speak. So all these terminal like tools, so awk, seed, everything else, I can do that. So Python and this and R. So data analysis in R I can do. So if people interested in this kind of content, I can definitely provide. What else? So Java is really difficult for me. Speak Python too. I used to know Windows scripting back. Yeah, okay. Oh, Windows scripting is another kind of like different kind of kingdom, I would say. Like I I like to work with terminals a lot. Oh, the warning is too late because I'm already in Node.js. Well, not really in. Should say I'm starting to learn. So I should say I relearn views. Vue 3 Uh, and I tried Angular, which not really my type, and I definitely enjoy working with vanilla JavaScript. Node.js is because I use it to download packages and maintain my own packages. So I would say I do that, but yeah, not like 100% avoid using Node.js. Um, what else? And Node doesn't. That's true. I always like when you download the packages and then you want to maintain the packages and then you just want to fix one warning and then comes out like 100 more warnings and then you just like what the okay. Right. Um yeah, so these are the languages I know. I do want to probably in this year, within this year, my biggest goal is to learn C++. Because people who knows me will know that I'm really enjoy learning uh, machine learning stuff. So, but I have a limit. Uh, and sorry, I don't know why my yeah. So somehow this message doesn't yeah. So I'm so sorry that there was a message I kind of missed, and you are machine learning um, person. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Yeah, looking at a machine learning newbie doing some like operating some big trucks. Um, yeah, so I really love that. And I realized that if you work with Python, you can definitely do a lot of stuff with machine learning. Oh, nice. Good on you. Yeah, that's learn together. Yeah, like you can learn, you can work with a lot of machine learning models that or AI models, let's say that using Python. But if you want to be more efficient, like manipulate the memories or something, then C++ is definitely the go-to. So my really big goal of this year is to learn C++, which this year is almost ending. And then after my 3 months challenge, I'm pretty much at the end of the year. But still, one day counts, 2 days counts, 1 month count or something. So yeah, start with math. Some knowledge about mathematics is definitely good, I would say, especially when so machine learning when it that's say unsupervised. Maybe that's a very bad idea to go into that route. But anyway, so if you start learning like TensorFlow, like PyTorch, you will realize that it's all about like what regression, what is that stuff, and then you kind of just go into deep mathematics. So I wouldn't say you need to learn mathematics first. I kind of so I have a degree of mathematics, yes, but after a few years of graduation, I already like forget everything. So learning along the way, like thinking about what this regression is needed, is bugged, said other chat. I don't. Yeah, I think it's kind of buggy. Like there are a lot of chats that just disappeared from my control panel. That's so weird. I need to look into that. Or it's maybe just my streaming things. I never seen the message here. Yeah, I also not. It's just weird. Ah. Okay. Hence why I am learning Docker as is. I speak Docker, and I definitely love Docker. But this is also what I learned recently. If you want to be a full stack developer, Docker is definitely needed. I would totally recommend people to do that. And if you just work on as a team, it's especially a very good tool to regulate everyone's environment, so you don't need to like you know like, oh, I miss these packages, I need to update my requirements, everything like that. So Docker is definitely needed when you're working in a team. And I am very sorry that in my project right now, because I was always working on my own, and so I mean, like, I'm kind of in the streamline, so like front end and then back end, and then I go back to fix the front end myself. So I never need to write Docker. But recently I start to involve more people into this project, so I soon need to start writing the Docker scripts. So service image Alpine. Ah, you use Alpine? Twitch is definitely buggy today. Uh, but yeah, okay, you use Alpine. I always use the biggest one, the Linux one. So cool that you use Alpine. Do you need to also install a lot of dependencies when you like using Alpine Docker? Yeah, so hi. I'm so sorry to many people that um in future which replace. Okay. Well, I definitely need to re-watch my own stream. I'm so sorry to many people when you reply to me. I see it on my screen, and then it just kind of disappear because my settings, and then usually I will see in my control panel, but today I just don't see them. So if I don't reply to you, I'm very sorry. um you can also comment on my video. I will definitely reply. And yeah, so I'm so happy that today so many people talk to me and talk to me about your progress, and then what's the project you are doing, and definitely enjoy all the chat with you. But as my name suggests, Code by Cradle, I'm a mom. So I need to do my mommy duty. So take care of my baby. So, and I will see you all, if not Friday, definitely next week, Monday or Wednesday. And I wish you all very nice day. The safest from AI, every role. Honestly, okay. One last thing. I sorry about my comments, but one last thing. Nobody needs to be worried about your job or positions being replaced. Okay, have a great day. Replaced by any kind. True, nothing will be. But I will say AI just make people much more busy. So you need to learn much more. Like for example, previously you just need to be a programmer. Now you also need to learn how to communicate with AI, how to communicate with at least chat GPTs or that stuff. So definitely making us much more busy, and we definitely need to learn much more. And I don't think that jobs will be replaced, but one thing. But no, not just come from YT. They should, yeah, come from Twitch. Sometimes I also don't see them. But one thing, no matter how technology developed, no matter how like which centuries we are and improved, um, equality is definitely needed to be addressed. I'm not talking about like women's so gender discrimination. So that stuff I feel like boys also need to be addressed. Like men also need to be addressed. Their rights, their thank you for subscribe. Their rights. Also so for example for boys cry in the public is kind of being suppressed, right? And some people, like if guys just want to put on makeup, just want to make themselves feel happy, people will say they are like either drag or gay. But this is not true. I'm very happy to see guys want to make themselves look nice, no matter it's dress nice, makeup, or whatever, plastic surgery, do you. So I just feel like no jobs will be replaced because of AI, but this kind of equality, like, genders, everything needs to be addressed. And in the job environment, definitely these are for centuries, I would say, we are being, so all these are being overlooked. I'm not a student. If I look like a student, thank you very much for the compliment. But I'm already graduated and I am on my way to be an entrepreneur. So, and also to you all that I need to go on to be a mom now, and I wish you all very nice day, nice evening, and see you all next time. Bye.